unboxing for this new Samsung Galaxy J6, and it says Infinity Display. And I'm doing this unboxing because many of you were actually annoyed that I'm not covering some of the mid-range smartphones that have being launched by Samsung, and I got early access to this device. That's the new J6 series. So let's open it up and have a look. And it says Infinity Display, so looks like it has the new screen aspect ratio. And another interesting thing is that it says even face recognition. I don't think so any earlier J series devices had face recognition, so we'll check that. And it says 13 plus 8 megapixels, so looks like the rear facing will be 13 and front 8. It also has a fingerprint scanner, and this is the 3GB RAM variant that comes with 32GB storage. There also a 4GB RAM model that will come with 64GB of internal storage. And regarding the pricing, the price quoted here on the box is 14,990, but this is not the correct price, guys. The pricing will be about 14,000 rupees for this 3GB RAM variant, and this is going to be sold both offline and online. So yeah, finally a smartphone that will be sold offline also. So let's quickly just open this up. So let's open up the box, and as you can see, we have the phone itself, and actually it looks nice because of the new screen aspect ratio. Let me take this out. As you can see, in that 18:9 aspect ratio, and just started booting up. Let's just keep this to the side for now. And this is the 3GB RAM model. As you can see, it even has a fingerprint scanner, but let's just keep this to the side for now, and let's quickly see what else do we get. So a bunch of paperwork like quick start guide, even we have in Hindi, and warranty card, and yeah, a bunch of paperwork. Let's keep that to the side. We get a SIM ejector tool. We also get a micro USB cable, and even earbuds are actually included in the package. These days many phones don't include that, but you're getting this. And these are normal earbuds, as you can see, guys, not in-ear style, but they have the Samsung branding. And we also have a button here to take or end calls, and this will also have a microphone. So that's what you're getting. And it will be a normal charger. It has a 3000 milliamp hour battery, and as you can see, it's a 5-volt 1 amp charger that you're getting. So definitely not a fast charger that you're getting. So let me keep these things to the side, and let's look at the handset itself. So here is the handset itself, and again, as I mentioned, definitely it looks a little bit premium because of the new screen aspect ratio that Samsung likes to call Infinity Display. And this is supposed to have AMOLED display, that is 720p HD plus display. And the back is metallic. We have some, we'll just take that out, and this is also metallic, guys. And as you can see on the top, we have actually nothing. This might be the speaker vent, and we have the power on off button on this end. We also have some plastic, a lot of plastic pre-applied. I'll take that out later. On the bottom, 3.5mm headphone jack, micro USB port that will be used for charging this device, and still more plastic. I'll remove that. And we have actually 2 slots, as you can see. So this is actually interesting. So let's open the big one first. And so we are getting one nano SIM slot and a dedicated micro SD card slot on the first slot. Let's also open the second one, and this has a secondary nano SIM, so you can actually put 2 nano SIMs and even a micro SD card on this one. That's a good thing. We also have volume rocker over here. Moving to the back, it's a 13 megapixel camera with f1.9 lens, and we also have a fingerprint scanner. And so that's the physical overview. And let me quickly, guys, just finish the setup of this one. In the meantime, here are the specs for the Galaxy J6. As you can see, it is having a 5.6-inch 720p HD plus Infinity display. That's AMOLED display. It is powered by the Exynos 7870 octa-core processor. It has 3GB of RAM, 32GB of internal storage, or 4GB of RAM comes with 64GB of internal storage. It also has face unlocking and fingerprint option. Moving to the camera, it has having a 13 megapixel rear facing camera and an 8 megapixel front facing camera.